In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a HSA account on Fidelity. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would, such as Google Chrome or Safari. Then you want to go to the search bar and look up Fidelity HSA account right over here. Now, what you want to do is you actually want to scroll down. So this top section is going to say sponsored results. You want to ignore these options right over here and make sure you scroll down until you actually see the fidelity.com website right over here. So please go ahead and select on it. So again, I know that does trip up a lot of people. Sometimes you do need to scroll down past the sponsored section in order to find the result that you're actually looking for. But over here is the official fidelity.com website, and this is the page that is going to allow you to open your HSA account. Keep in mind that you need to make sure that you're eligible. You can only contribute to an HSA if you have a high deductible health plan and meet these conditions: that you're not enrolled in Medicare, you're not enrolled by another non-HDHP plan, which stands for high deductible health plan, by the way, and not claimed as someone else's tax dependent. And just a disclaimer, if you don't have a HDHP, which again stands for high deductible health plan, you can technically open the account, but you shouldn't contribute any money or you could face tax penalties. So again, keep that in mind. You need to make sure that you do meet those requirements. So anyways, once you met those requirements, then you're able to go ahead and press on open. And then over here, you need to select on your situation. So you can open a account as part of your employer benefits. You can open it on your own or with automated investing. So that is 100% up to you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on my own, which is open an HSA. So go ahead and press on that. All right, then it is going to give you the option to create your account. So if you already have something with Fidelity, whether that's an IRA, 401k, etc., then make sure to go ahead and press on yes. And it's actually going to make the process way more faster. But if you never used Fidelity for anything before, you need to press on no. Then it is going to prompt you to actually create a Fidelity account. So let's say, for example, we press on no, then it is going to begin opening our account. And if we press on yes, what it's going to do is going to open up Fidelity and make us log into our pre-existing account. So I just wanted to showcase both options right over here, but let me go ahead and just select on no right over here, then press on next, just like so. All right, so make sure to read this as well. So you need to keep this in mind as well, the eligibility requirements to open a HSA right over here. So please read through these over here. It's going to let you know whether you're eligible, and you need to keep that in mind. But anyways, you just need to press on next once you're done with that. All right, and now it is going to make you fill out the application. So you're going to need to enter basic information like your social security number, your name and address, employment information, your beneficiary info, which is optional, but you could include it from here, and you will need to link a bank account in order to fund your HSA. So once you're approved and once you meet the requirements, it is then going to approve your account, and then you're able to transfer money from your bank and then begin to set automatic contributions, or you can manually contribute to your HSA from there. And you can invest the money in something like the S&P 500, like the VOO, or the Fidelity 500. So again, keep that in mind. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.